Hey guys, this is Indu here. Hope all are fine at home. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that every single time I upload the video, you will be getting the notifications. Kindly watch the video till the end because I have included some of the important board examination questions for practice. Our today's topic is going to be on national parties. Every party in the country has to register with the Election Commission. It offers some special facilities for large and established parties. The Election Commission has laid down detailed criteria of proportion of votes and seats that a party must get in order to be recognized party. So in India, we follow multi-party system in which we categorize into national party and state party as we have different levels of our Indian government, center, state and local. Center government will hold all the national parties. So national party is how a party can be recognized as a national party or how a party can be recognized as a state party. So this is what we are going to see now. A party that secures at least 6% of the total vote in an election to the legislative assembly of a state and wins at least 2 seats is recognized as the state party. That is, in India, we have state legislatures. Each and like we have parliament in Delhi, same way each and every state we have something called state legislature in which a party must secure at least 6% of the total seat and at least win 2 seats. So then only that particular political party will be recognized as a state party. Same way, a party that secures at least 6% of the total vote in Lok Sabha elections or assembly elections in 4 states minimum and wins at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party. Either a party should contest in Lok Sabha election and wins at least 6% of the total vote, or else it should at least contest in 4 different states and wins at least 4 seats. So this is the basic criteria to recognize it as a national party. According to a NCERT textbook, there are 7 different parties were given. There are 7 recognized national party in the country in 2018. Here are some of the details of 7 parties. In your board examination, you will definitely get questions from national parties or state parties. We have 1 mark question, 3 mark question recently added with comprehension. So any of the questions you may get national parties or state parties. Firstly, to begin with, All India Trinamool Congress, AITC, launched on 1st January 1998 under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, recognized as a national party in 2016. The party's symbol is flowers and grass, committed to secularism and federalism. I think everyone must be knowing what is secularism. No religion will be given special preference. So that is the definition of secularism. So that has been incorporated in AITC. And federalism. Federalism we already explained in our previous videos. Please do watch Hindu's Historia for federalism definition. It is just a sharing of power between the central authority and the various constituent units. So that is the basic definition. So this principle also incorporated into AITC. Has been in power in West Bengal since 2011 and has a presence in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Tripura. In the general election held in 2014, it got 3.84% votes and won 34 seats, making it the 4th largest party in Lok Sabha elections. So these are the things you need to write about AITC. Students, I have a small suggestions here. So whenever you write about national parties, whenever you read about national parties, you have to have a clear cut tabular column like serial number, what is the name of the party, who's the leader, when was the party formed, what is the principle of the party, what is the symbol of the party, what is the flag of the party, who's the present leader. Likewise, you have to have a clear tabular column of all the seven national parties and make it like a mind map so that when you go for revision it will be really easy so that you will not forget. So this is all about national parties. Here is your important board examination questions. Explain 5 national political parties. Distinguish between national political parties and state political parties. What are the 6 national political parties? Which organization does recognize political parties in India? What is meant by national party? State the condition required to be a national political party. So these are the some of the questions from the same topics. Please practice as many as questions possible, students, and also visit other videos from our channel for more explanation and more concepts from the same chapter. So that is all about today's class. Bye students, take care. Like my videos, share my videos and subscribe my videos.